Are you recovering from an ACL surgery and wondering what exercises you can do to help with your recovery? Well, in this video, I'll be going over the early phase of recovery, explaining what factors are important during this stage, and outlining key exercises you can do to help with your recovery. After an ACL surgery, the two most important goals are to achieve full range of motion and to regain neuromuscular control of the knee. While achieving both flexion and extension range of motion is important for daily activities, following an ACL surgery, achieving full knee extension is emphasized since numerous studies have found that a loss of full knee extension can be a predictor for post-operative complications and poor outcomes. Achieving neuromuscular control of the knee is another important goal. Neuromuscular control refers to the coordination of the brain, nerves, and muscles to create movement and stability. And so regaining this is imperative not only to ensure proper movement and function, but to also protect the knee from further injuries. Given these two goals, 5 safe and effective exercises you can do every day to help with your recovery include co-contraction of the quadriceps and hamstrings, heel slides, knee extension over a roll, straight leg raise, and squats supported by a chair. You can check out my blog on the Curovate website for a more detailed description of each of these exercises.